front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. First of all, you need to launch Devices Play Store to download completely free app called DevCheck Device and SystemInfo from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Now, quick tip. Go into dashboard and tap on all of those options here. Not only to read all about it in the pop-up, but also when you hit settings at the bottom right corner of each one, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. It also works with those gear icons at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!